Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Sport tab in Perplexity AI tool. So let's start. Open your Perplexity AI and here you can see I already log in Google Chrome. After the login, just go to the left hand side and here you can see the different section available: travel, academy and sport. Just click on it and here you can get all details related to sports. The sports tabs helps you stay updated with the latest sports news, live score and match highlights. You can check about your favorite team's upcoming fixture or even player states. Okay, the Perplexity will instantly bring you accurate updates. And here you can see in search box, when you click on it, here you can see in below side have a some prompt. You can just click on it and you will get all details and you can just enter here the prompt. And with these have a three option here available: search for fast answer to everyday question, and the second is a research, the deep research on any topic. If you want to deep research, just click on the second option, then enter your prompt and you will get deep research related to the topic. Okay, and the third is a labs, create project from scratch. Okay, and after that in below side here you can see the trending news, what's happening. Okay, simply click on it and you will get all details. Okay, and second, the in season, you can see the all sports related to in season. Off season sports also details available, then coming soon sports also details showing. Okay, you just simply click on it and you will get the details. So I just right click on the mouse and click on the open link in new tab, so it will open in new tab. Okay, so you can see in new tab, you will see the all details related to 2025 season with the different tabs: schedule, standing, World Series champion and latest news. Okay, and again I go to the sports tab and here for what's happening also just simply right click on it and click on the open link in new tab, and here you can see again the new tab is open with the all details related to what's happening. Okay, so here the selected topic, you will get details from AI. After that, again, I go to the sports and that's it. This is the way you can use this all option. And here you can see the right hand side have a share option. Just click on it and just copy the link and you can share the any topic. Same as simply right click on in any topic here and you just copy the link address and you can share to the anyone. So here I just enter the one prompt. I just paste my prompt here. Show me today's sports update. Okay, I select here the research option. Okay, and just click on, and here you see the Perplexity generate your answer. Wait for the few seconds. And it's done. Here you can see the all details related to today's sports updates. Okay, the Perplexity giving you answer in different tabs: research, tapes, images and sources. Okay, so this is a way you will get all details related to sports, in-depth details. Okay, if you want to use the reading mode, just simply right click on the mouse and click on the open in the reading mode and you can easily read your all details. Okay, you can change here the font style also. Just click on this arrow and select here the font size. If you want to decrease the font size, you can decrease. Increase it, just click on this option. You can change your theme also and you can easily read your all details. Okay, if you want to upgrade your knowledge related to sport, you can use here the reading mode to read in details, all details, to read all details. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.